Haka janmit ka shitarik we yong arjar pun riu ba vivek CM IPS SP ka is ka zil district haba batai benya shapang ka jingya jingtoket hadu bandalap batkem yo ba Pynïap yo Heprit konsuet badang news nam kabalaja riu banai menswa kata ka praterik risau arjar pesan uloong bau Nongpynïap ude ubolong ba Shit-Khlieh bat thau pun klumar barabor udai ba sakam latip kumu kenti khongset laikwas nam karta balayo jingtep ba udai bakalok jong uru ka eu bo sasho bat Shit-Khlieh palat kuman syukudo ba ya kamediap jong u Heprit lalap haka step khandai terik risau arjar pesan na rut surok na jan laurum nong hamaupan bala Shim la Pynïap soya ka wei ka jaka bat suwan bret yaka haka jingto ket keblane khamslem wa vivek uloong ba kamukodoma kalong ka khamsitom namar omlap shai ya ka daw halor ka jing Pynïap namar udeiru ukhna konsuet uloong baka special investigation team kala tokit nya bala Sham bo teu brio la Pynïap yo teu Heprit ha ka jingbitar namar bo umtre banyarap yo u ban pensim yo Brut bat ka Borti ha ka por bo Sait tam katei ka jingja ka ja ha ka por bo Heprit u ptb haying jong u bat ha ka jingbitar la khnyat yo Heprit bat thep ha ka tam laong ba hadien la buri ya ka Meghalaya hajan yeng bat hadien la lebret ya ka Meghalaya sakatei ka khlau ha maupan dak bakit haskuti Shushu laong baro sikatau ni Nongpynïap usngulai luit bat ulamut bakipulet kilaklet Henry ne kisaki sabut lala ban kem yu.
In our preliminary interrogation, the accused has revealed that he had told the child to get a brush and a bucket while he was washing the syntax tank. But the deceased or the child kept watching TV. Out of anger, due to the obstination of the child, when the boy came out of the house, he forcefully smothered him and put him in the syntax tank in a fit of rage. Later, he hid the body in the backyard. The killer then quietly kept the body in a plastic sack in the scooty of his cousin and left Lumarbo at about 4:40 p.m. and returned back in less than an hour after dumping the body on the roadside. We have arrested him today in the afternoon. He has admitted to the crime. He will be produced before court and police remand will be taken to complete the investigation process. Ngila apet don ki case ndai kila don ki case ba kram register hi kila isuk ki paramaki kila don hi ki case ki ba kila wan jing a jing ujor he ndai kila don ka jing asuk paramaki he
kani kan date the first degree
kani the first case parang ban register ka case. Yes,
Ka jing suk kata long kandai long kadi si long ne ka kangon kom
em kadi ka jing show ka dom ki don ki don ka jing ka ja e ndai bat ita I lok chung u bala ye yu ru ka don ka registry ka ba u shit show em klam don hi ji thu u klam u lamut hi long hadien ba kilawan ki pudet hadien tio artio lai tio si banai hadien kata long ulai ken ba umut ba utan pati pulet kin tlan no kan abam lap hak tu ka klemat hi tu yom yo ye isu kan ti hadin si banai um ja e hadin adlan um ja e tu la sung lai doi
Pikem na yo ni pikem na yung sa jung na
ha ni sa chu.
The things that was difficult, like Sir said, was he did not have parents. We did not have that motive also. His parents had some rivalry or some enmity with someone else. So that angle was also ruled out. A child, he could not have harmed anybody. That angle was ruled out. So these, amongst the other reasons mentioned, was why this case took a little longer to solve. But eventually, we hopefully have reached the logical conclusion.
We had more than 10 to 12 suspects out here, and it took a long time to write off any of the suspects out here. That's why people would come, you've got anything, but it took a long time because unless I have evidence, I really cannot pinpoint. I cannot zero down on that. It's easy to pinpoint. Oh yes, this fellow might be, that fellow might be. He dresses like this, or he looks like that, or he behaves like that. But unless I have that evidence, policing now is based on scientific evidence. we will not just catch anybody like that. It has to be based on scientific evidence, and SIT has proven it today that as a team they have worked in different areas and pieced all that evidence to zero down on this criminal.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya